Oh, I'll talk. We're gonna be putting this on 931 Jams. Do you want me to be like, hey, it's Krista with my girl Naomi?
Whatever you don't want, you're like, Naomi, can we cut that out?
This,
I'll be sure.
this. Look, she's doing something to this.
Okay, and here we go.
Dapper, I look fine and my checks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like. I do what I like, I do it.
Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. So today's video, I'm really super excited to be here because it's not just me by myself. I'm here with the fabulous Krista from The Morning Rush. She is one of the hosts on 931 Jams right here in Madison. And this is her princess over here, Gia. You guys can say hi.
Hi guys!
This is Gia's first appearance on YouTube. First too, right?
It is.
It is, yes. So
this girl's crazy. I don't know why she asked me to do this. This is beauty. This is like scary, right?
And so I don't really know what kind of look we're going for today. We're just gonna play around and have some fun. And Gia, you're gonna pick out the colors, right? Are you okay with that?
Listen, leave it to an 8-year-old, as all mothers know, to pick out the makeup that they should wear for the day.
So we'll pick one, and then we'll kind of, the pink one?
Wow.
All right.
Wow.
This is the one we're doing.
I never thought a ginger pasty girl could pull up.
This is the one Gia picked out, and this is the second option. We might end up going with this one. Alright, you picked it.
Can I wear this now since I'm getting up at 4 a.m. in the morning tomorrow? Can I just go with this face?
You can sleep sitting up. Perfect. So, I'm gonna zoom in on you.
God.
Good. She's got wonderful skin, so this is a good thing. New Gia.
Oh, look it. Here we go. And here we go. And it begins.
I'm so here for these sockets, too.
She's so into my eye socket.
So into your eye socket.
So cool.
I'm ready for it.
It's good since I only have one eye. It's like perfect.
Knock it off. Well, you want Kylie Jenner lips?
Yes! Have you tried her makeup, by the way?
I have not, because I have not heard good things about it.
Yeah, it is so expensive.
Really...
Classic oil valet. I Clarisonic. And then I use Skin Better Science for the nighttime treatment. And then, yeah.
It's so ridiculous.
It's like, yeah. Hey, listen, if you don't have a ring on it, girl, you do your own thing and get your education in your career and make the money and follow your
I know, I was like... My old host.
So, we are doing a makeover, but when we get done, I will be back and show you all what's going on with this beautiful girl. Okay.
Not my day, so don't hurt me.
Okay, girl. Gonna be a whole lot of editing of this film. A guy and a girl were making out on the couch. And she stops making out with him and she goes, I'm late! I'm late! He goes, what? What are you late for? She ran out onto the deck to feed the pigeons. She was late feeding her pigeons.
So I just finished Krista's makeup. She's taking her down like super schmexy.
Doing my hair in the
TV. All right, look at me.
Oh.
I'm gonna let you guys see her. Look at me. Reaction. What's like this behind your ear? You know, super schmexy.
Schmexy.
So she's gonna see her makeup. So
I haven't seen it yet.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, here I go. Ooh.
You like it?
Yes, honey.
Can you see the color? Your daughter picked out a good color.
Hey, that looks gorgeous. Ooh.
You look You're ridiculous.
It looks a lot better than what I do. You did an awesome job.
You got good sockets, Krista.
She likes my sockets.
I'm telling you, it's damn, girl. Is you single or what?
I love it.
You look good. Let me show you the one I used. Alright guys, so this is a finished look that I came up with Krista. She's looking gorgeous. I'm so happy. I had so much fun. I think you look so good.
Girl, you did an amazing job. Like, I have really big eyes. My lips are bigger. You highlighted my face. And I'm bronzed too.
Yeah, you're nice and tan. And Gia, her daughter, picked out the color, so she looks really good.
So, again, 93.1 Jams. Make sure you listen in the morning to Krista in the Morning Rush. I've got my girl Naomi coming on air on September 7th. That's a Friday at 7:40 for Fit and Fabulous. We're gonna be talking about back to school tips that you have.
Trends, upcoming trends, makeup, all that really good fun stuff.
Yeah, so she's the best. Make sure you follow her because she's absolutely gorgeous and she just made me feel way prettier than what I looked before. So I love you, girl.
Before. Bye.